All right, in this segment of the video, we're going to look at horizontal asymptotes. And there's three different types of horizontal asymptotes that we're going to look at, but we're going to focus on two. I just want to explain the last one just so you have exposure to it. Okay, so the horizontal asymptotes is based on the power of the expressions. So in this particular one, my exponent is 1 and the bottom the exponent is 1. When the powers are the same, so both are the same, I take the coefficient of the lead variable. And so the coefficient is 1 here and it's 1 here. So my horizontal asymptote would be 1 over 1 or 1. It's that simple, whatever the lead coefficient is. Okay? So let's look at one slightly different. Let's say we had 2x plus 5 and 3x minus 7. Again, my power in both of these is 1, so because my power is the same, I'm going to focus on the lead coefficients. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be 2 over 3 or 2/3. In this situation, I have my exponent in the denominator is bigger than my exponent in the numerator. And this is the ones you're going to love. Whenever the exponent, the power of the denominator is bigger than the power of the numerator, no work involved. My horizontal is just going to be 0. Whenever the power of the bottom is bigger than the power of the top, your horizontal asymptote is going to be 0. Okay, this one's a little tricky. This one is a case where my numerator power is bigger than my denominator power. And in this case, we say it has a slant asymptote. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to factor the top, which is x plus 2, x minus 2. And the bottom is x minus 2. These items cancel. So my slant asymptote is the line y equals x plus 2. So those are the three different types. Let's see if we can have some extra practice ones for you. Okay, so go ahead and figure out which rule applies for this one here. Okay, this one's our slant one. We're actually not going to focus as much on these, but let's go ahead and do this. The power is higher than here. When I factor it, I get x plus 4 times x minus 3 over x minus 3. The x minus 3's cancel, so y equals x plus 4 is my slant asymptote. All right, how about this one? Y equals 4x squared plus 3 over 2x squared plus 5. Go ahead and try that one. Okay, my powers match 2, 2. So my horizontal asymptote is simply 4 over 2 or 2. I take that lead coefficient right there. All right, last practice one. Okay, in this case, the denominator's power is bigger than the numerator's power, so my horizontal asymptote is 0. Excellent job. I hope this helps explain horizontal asymptotes.